Hello everyone, this is my review of the Gout and You Tart Cherry Extract. This is a plant-based supplement that's anti-inflammatory. It is also anti-inflammatory. There are easy to swallow capsules. I'll show you that here in a minute. That helps you get the benefits of a tart cherry extract. So the pills doesn't have a nasty taste going down, so it tastes pretty good, and you can get the benefits of the tart cherry on the go wherever you go. So I would highly recommend this supplement, and I hope that this review helps.